The Honda True Adventure Tour was an amazing experience. It was a complete ride down the West Coast. We started in Washington and ended in Southern California here at our collection hall. We integrated all different types of riding conditions, from everything from beautiful backwoods to gravel roads to cruising down the coast. It really provided one of the best outlets we can do for any of our adventure product.
For me as a dealer principal to be chosen to be the first stop on the adventure tour was great. It was gracious of Honda to bring the new models out that we haven't even seen yet, that no one's seen in the US. Start here at our dealership, give our staff a chance to touch and ride the motorcycles, and more importantly, get our customers involved and get them on the new models that are coming out.
Honda True Adventure Tour had all the elements of a true adventure. You know, we started in the Pacific Northwest in Washington near Seattle, and it was pouring rain. Pouring rain, cold. We even had to divert and take a different route because of the snow. It was super exciting and super challenging those days. Finally, we got a little further south and the sun came out and we had a beautiful road ahead of us. So it was really, really good that we were able to trudge through all those adverse conditions and get down to where it was sunny and the road was clear ahead of us, and it was a blast.
Day one, feeling great, feeling a little bit of the nerves, like that, always that like initial thing where like you don't know what to expect, but it's gonna be a great time. We're in good company, we've got some great bikes, it's gonna be an awesome time.
50 down. Been raining the whole time, but the road's been super sweet, beautiful scenery, so we're having a good time so far.
Day two doing great. Called an audible yesterday, so we're here outside of Eugene. We went west today instead of headed back towards Sisters, so super stoked to be where we are. We're in this beautiful national forest that I was just talking to my camera about. Looks like Endor from Star Wars, so if you're a Star Wars fan, this place is absolutely incredible. Fantastic riding today. We're starting to get a little more rain than what we were hoping for, but that's why we're all waterproofed up, and it's part of the adventure.
Day three of the Honda True Adventure Tour. We're loving life. We're headed toward Coos Bay, Oregon. Head toward the coast. We're running along this beautiful river. We got waterfalls coming off the cliff. I mean, what more could you want? It's so scenic and beautiful here. We're having a great time. True adventure.
Man, it's been great. It's so nice to get out of the rain. But also, I'm kind of glad that we had some, because it is a true adventure in every sense of the word. What's so cool is I actually got to take the people who are sort of involved in the decisions that go into creating the bikes that I ride on the types of riding, literally the places that I go. So, it's a shame that we had to tweak our plans, but I'm not sad because I got to show off some of my favorite local riding spots, and that was awesome.
We are in Eureka, California. We have wave 2 of our influencers that are jumping on board. We got a real treat for them today because we're going to head south on the 101, jump on the Avenue of the Giants. We're going to see some massive trees and super spectacular. I'm excited. I've never been there. So we're going to take these bikes, the Transalps and the Africa Twins, through all this awesome terrain, and it's going to be a good time. Looking for, we got great weather today, so we'll be heading on down to the coast to Shelter Cove, back up on some single lane road, kind of broken pavement, maybe a little patch of dirt. It should be a really good adventure, and we're looking for a good day.
learning a lot about myself and finding a lot of confidence on this motorcycle. So it's been amazing.
A takeaway that I'll remember from the Honda True Adventure Tour is that, you know, if you're excited about an adventure, if you're thinking about doing an adventure, it's like I would just say, go, just do it, because it's living life to its fullest when you take that leap of faith and you go adventure on a Honda motorcycle.